Okay, the next chair is the crossback chair. You can see here is a cross design. So we call this chair is crossback chair. And this chair is made of solid wood. And we have many kind of woods we can choose. Absolutely, the price will be a little bit different, right? And the color, this one is a rustic color, and also this one is also rustic color. This is very famous color, right? In the farmhouse wedding, very famous color. And this one is light bush color. Black wash color, and we have many colors. We have many colors for this chair. We can send you our color options. You can choose one from our color options. And also, if you have a picture in mind, and then you can send us your chair picture. We can make a sample. We can make a sample and then confirm it's full to us. Okay. So don't worry about the color. You can like use a chair to like fit your requirements, okay? And this chair, it has a artificial texture. This is a design. This one is smooth design. This one has artificial texture. Some people they like this feeling. And this chair can be stacked. You can see here. I'm gonna stack this chair on this chair. Okay? It can be stacked up to 10 pieces. Normally, for a 10-feet container, we stack 9 pieces. For a 40-feet container high group container, we stack 11 chairs when load the container. Okay, and when you storage this chair, we would like to suggest you to stack like 9 to 10 pieces. They would say, okay, and for this chair, the color and the design can be customized. Okay? And this chair, crossback chair, is very famous in Europe and in North America. People they want their weddings more like right? So they using the crossback chair and also that they got from house wooden table. So they are perfect match. Okay? And this chair, we have solid, we have wood seat. See, this one, these 3 chairs, they are set with the seat. This is a wood seat. And also we can do a rattan seat. But you know, when people they are using these chairs outside, and also when the weather is hot, maybe use a rattan seat would be like really cool, right? And also we have a cushion for this chair. We have a cushion for the chair, and this cushion, the thickness of this cushion is 2.5 centimeters. Okay, and this is a tie design. You can tie the cushion on the back leg. Okay, and this cushion here is the table. You can take off the cover. You can take off the cushion cover, and then the cushion take off the cover and get off the foam and the cushion. This is like polyester material. When you wash it, it cannot be gassed after washing, so that you can wash many times. Okay, and we have many colors for. This white color. This is like the dark, right? We have many colors. Okay, and also we have here this one's tie design. We also have the record design. Maybe some people will think, it's like this, spend time to tie it on the leg. Maybe people will pay for record. We also have this one is the record type. So you can choose record or type. Okay, and also ready to put on the chair, and then you can see how the chair looks like. Okay. This is a white color. White color cushion. Okay. I'm gonna go to white color cushion first. Then you can see how the looks. Okay. This one is also 2.5. And also the interior, this cushion is coming out where it can be washed. So like that one. Okay. In the winter, you can like hold cushion on. But in the summer, when the weather is hot, you can take off. You can take off the cushion. Okay. But most of the people they will not choose the wine anymore. You know why? Because when in the wedding, people they drink and eating, right? Maybe sometimes there is a fault from drop on the cushion, so it will be easily get dirty. So we can see clearly when the cushions get dirty. But when you use a dark color cushion, when the like juice or the wine drop off the cushion, maybe it will not easily to see, right? Put on the chair, then okay. It's perfect match, okay? We're gonna sit on the chair, okay? Come, okay? When people they are at the wedding, maybe they are very happy, they will drink, they will dance, maybe they will shake their body, but that's fine. You can see when I shake the chair, it will not get broken. It's very stable, right? So when the people they dance on the chair, maybe people they worry about when I dance on the chair when I is really happy. Is it really happy when I dance on the chair, the legs will be broken or not? I'm gonna test it, okay? I'm gonna jump on the chair, then you can see whether the legs will be broken, okay? I don't think people will dance on the chair, right? Maybe they will just sit on the chair and then shake it. Okay? And also the chair, the front legs and also the back leg. The diameter of this leg is 32 millimeter. And maybe some people they worry about after like 9 or 10 years. I don't like this chair. I want to change it to another one. How about this chair? How can I solve this problem? Maybe you can rent to others. You can sell to others. You can find a company which can like to buy this wood. This because this wood is recycled. So no problem, don't worry. And when you buy the chairs, you can use for many years. You can also use in many situations. In the wedding, the dining board, or at home, or in parties, events, outdoor activities. Many we can use in many situations, many places. Okay, and you can buy this chair and bring to others. You can read many times because it's very strong. As you can see, I stand on the chair and shake it and look calm. Okay, and for this chair, we have the certificate. We have certificate. If you're interested in, we will send you. And for this chair, I have passed the Europe furniture test. If you have interest, we can send it. Then you can see how the chairs, the stability or the other specification. Okay, and we have two sizes for the chair. Seat size. As you can see, this chair, the seat is a little bigger, right? This seat is wider than this one. Definitely, the chair price will be higher. But people before, like a few years ago, people they chose the big seat. But now, recently, people they choose a small seat because the price is cheaper. But whenever the seat is bigger or small, but it's okay. It's okay. Most of the European clients and also the North American clients, they will choose the small one, the small size, because it's enough. For this size, it's enough. This is the design we use for past 20 years. Sleeping with this one, this size, because it's cheaper. Okay, and we can the seat and the bag. You can requires to customize. For example, I want the writing seat. I want the bag to be changed a little bit. The floor can be a little bit wider, or you have many heights. I will ask our designer and to check whether your doors is workable. Okay, so don't worry. The color, the design. You can do OEM service. Okay, and also for this chair, the most popular color is antique color. Like these two, they are antique color, and this one is lime wash color. Maybe for European people like France or Germany, they prefer the color. But that is fine. That is fine. It depends on their environment. We can do many products. You can tell us if you like colors. If you have any chairs in stock, you want our chairs to match with the color. That is fine. You can send us a picture, or if you want us to match your chair color 100%, you can send us a piece of wool. So we will do our best to match with your chair color. Okay, so don't worry about chair color. Okay, and I'm gonna introduce another one. Okay,